Do you have so many conversations piling up that it's hard to find the important ones due to constant notifications? I'll show you how to archive chats so they do not get in the way and how to restore them easily if needed. Stay until the end and I will share a small trick that most people do not know, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device by clicking on its icon and afterwards go to the Chats tab. Find and select the chat you want to archive and simply click and hold it until you see this button with arrow moving down icon and simply click on it and you will receive a notification that chat is archived. And to access the archived chats, just simply click on this section, and to unarchive the chat, again click and hold it and tap on this icon with the upward arrow right there. Now you can easily keep your chats organized and always know how to quickly find important messages. So if this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That really gives me the motivation to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.